Welcome to Magby Cooking, and today I will be reading a few inserts from one of my favorite cookbooks. It has over 200 short stories of famous women, some we know, some we don't know, but it also has 3 and 4 ingredient recipes. So as I'm looking through the book, finding recipes, I thought to share a few of the famous first women stories with you all. So number 10, once I make it to the soup section, I'm thinking I'm gonna be okay. Number 10 is Miss Maggie Mitchell Walker. She was born in a woman's kitchen where her mother had formerly been a slave, but she grew up to become the first woman bank director in America and one of the nation's most successful entrepreneurs. That section alone, just her being number 10 and have to overcome such adversity in the beginning of her life, knowing that that's where her mom come from and that her mom will want more for her. Most black people don't share the thoughts and knowledge of money, but for her to go and find the money is just awesome. But I just want to take time to just say that, and to also say, make sure you get your screenshots if you can of the recipes. These soup recipes, like the ham and bean soup, England clam chowder, tomato soup, chicken soup, all of them 3-4 ingredients. And it also has the full recipe of how to cook these items. Great ideas. If you need new ideas for cooking, this is a great book to pick up. Another story, Miss Gwendolyn Brooks was the first African American to win a Pulitzer Prize for poetry. In 1976, she became the first black woman inducted into the National Institute of Arts and Letters. This is information. There's no such thing as just having a history month. We need to have history days. A little bit of information can go a long way. Just with me sharing these things, some people may find it not interesting. Some people may actually have something click in their mind to where they think, oh, okay, I'm supposed to do this as well. Something been telling you to do it. Something been telling me to share it. So all of these things are aligning for a reason. These women they have stories to tell. We have people in our history who are there for a reason.